Chapter 6 More on Internet. Topics covered: History of the Internet, Network, some terms related to the Internet, basic requirements for an Internet connection, Google Chrome, a web browser, searching information on the Internet. Internet. The Internet is a worldwide system of computer networks organized together. It is a network of networks that consists of different kinds of local and global networks, linked by networking technologies. History of the Internet. Internet came into existence with the development of electronic computers in the 1950s. Initially, the concept of wide area networking originated in the United States, United Kingdom, and France. The US founded NASA and the Advanced Research Projects Agency Network, ARPANET, as a part of the race between the Soviets and Americans over space and technology in the 1960s. Schools and universities started allowing more science, math and technology classes, and hence, this set the beginning of networking of computers and the Internet was invented. Cyber tidbits. The project of the development of the ARPANET was directed by Robert Taylor and was managed by Lawrence Roberts. Network. A computer network is a set of computers connected together allowing sharing of resources between various computer systems. Computer networks can include sharing of resources such as connection to the Internet, a printer or a file server. We can also share our files and documents on the network. Cyber tidbits. In India, Internet services started on 15 August 1995 by a government-owned company, VSNL, Videsh Sanchar Nigam Limited. Some terms related to the Internet. Let us recall some terms related to the Internet that we have already learnt earlier, and learn some new terms. World Wide Web, WWW. The World Wide Web is an information space where documents and other web resources are available. Web page. A web page refers to an individual digital document available on www. It may contain text, video, audio, graphics and links to other pages. Website. A collection of related web pages is called a website. It can contain many web pages, which are linked together and share a common theme, look and feel. Home page. A home page is the main page of a website which contains information and links to other pages. It is the first page that is displayed on every website. Uniform Resource Locator, URL. Each website has its unique address by which it can be located on the Internet. This address is known as the Uniform Resource Locator, URL. For example, www.google.com is the URL of the Google home page. Hyperlinks. When we move the pointer around a web page, we will notice that the pointer changes to a hand icon as soon as it points at the text which is underlined and blue in color. These are known as hyperlinks. A hyperlink connects different web pages on the Internet. Clicking on a hyperlink takes us to a different page. Internet Service Provider, ISP. An ISP is an organization that provides services for accessing, using, or participating in the Internet. Internet service providers may be organized in various forms, such as commercial, community-owned, non-profit, or privately owned. Search engine. A web search engine is a software system that is designed to search for information on the World Wide Web. The search results are generally presented in a line of results often referred to as search engine result pages, SERPs. Some examples are http://www.google.com, http://www.bing.com, and http://www.yahoo.com. Basic requirements for an Internet connection. To access Internet services on a computer system, there is a need of an Internet connection, a modem and a web browser. An internet connection from an internet service provider. An internet service provider is a company that provides customers with access to the internet. When we connect to an internet service provider, we become a part of the network of the company. These may then connect to a larger network and become part of that network. Usually, these companies provide internet facilities in exchange for a fee. BSNL, MTNL, Bharti Airtel, Reliance Communications, and Tata Communications are some examples of ISPs in India. Modem. A modem modulator/demodulator is a medium to connect the computer to the ISP. It converts the digital signals generated from the computer to analog signals so that they can be transmitted over the wires. A modem can be internal or external. An internal modem comes pre-installed in the computer. They are usually the size of the credit or debit card. An external modem is attached externally to the CPU using an external wire or cable. Cyber-10 bits. The speed of a modem is measured in bits per second, bps. Web browser. A web browser is a software application for accessing information on the World Wide Web. Some examples of a web browser are Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Internet Explorer. Google Chrome is the most commonly used web browser these days. Google Chrome, a web browser. Google Chrome is a freeware web browser developed by Google. It was first released in September 2008 for Microsoft Windows, and was later ported to Linux, Mac OS, iOS and Android. It is also the main component of Chrome OS, where it serves as a platform for running web apps. To start Google Chrome, follow the steps given below. Step 8. Click the Start button and scroll down to the letter G. Step 2. Select Google Chrome from the list. The application window of the browser will open with the default website as the home page. Parts of Google Chrome window. The application window of Google Chrome has different parts. Let us read about them. New tab. The new tab adds a new tab on the browser window to allow access to more than one page simultaneously. Back button. The back button allows us to go to the previous web pages, which we visited before the current one. Forward button. The forward button takes us to the next page which we came back from when we clicked the back button. It can also be used to go to the next already loaded page. Reload this page button. This button is used to refresh the web page or website we are currently on. Stop loading this page button. When the page is being loaded in the browser, the reload this page is replaced with the stop loading this page. We can click this button to stop the loading of the page. Address bar. The address bar, also known as the location bar, is a graphical control element which displays the URL of the current website. We can type URL into the bar to navigate to any website we like. Searching information on the internet. In the previous class, we had also learnt about a search engine. It is a software that helps us to search information on the World Wide Web. Search engines. A search engine is a service which helps you find the information you want on the internet. Search engines continually trawl the net for new websites, cataloging them into an index. Some commonly used search engines are Google, Yahoo and AltaVista, but there are many others. Search terms. When we go to a search engine, you are given a search box into which you enter the keywords of our topic. For example, if we enter the word rock, you will likely get links to pages about geology, music and building societies. Let us say we want information on rock music. If you type in rock music, it is likely the search engine will bring up links to many pages about rocks, rock climbing and music. However, if you try typing in rock music, with quotes, the search engine will treat it as a phrase and bring up details of web pages containing the word rock music in that order. Advanced search terms. Entering rock plus music will bring up documents containing both words. Entering rock plus music. Climbing will bring up documents containing the words rock and music but with no reference to climbing.